Did you know that playing cards can be an automatic teller machine? Yeah, neither did I, but check this out. Remove the 4 aces from a regular deck of cards and arrange them in this order: diamonds, clubs, hearts, and spades. Tell everyone the aces represent your money and the rest of the cards represents other money. The ace of spades stays in your wallet. This is your wallet. And 3 random cards are placed on top of each of the aces, including your wallet or your purse. Other money, other money, other money, and more other money. These are the ATM machines, and these are contactless cards. Just use tap and pay technology. It's automatic. And the ace of diamonds has been withdrawn. Use tap and pay. That's all it takes. It's automatic. And the ace of clubs has been withdrawn. Show your spectators that you have the clubs and the diamonds. You just need the hearts from ATM number 3. Just hold it there for a second. That's all it takes. And you have the hearts, the clubs, the diamonds, and the ace of spades is manually deposited into ATM number 3 and covered with a barrier. This is for your non-believing spectators. Just use tap and pay, and yes, you can withdraw using this technology. The only thing left over here is other money. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you enjoyed that. This is a very easy to learn card trick that you can perform using a regular deck of cards. And I'm going to show you how to do it. But first, just remember, if you don't want to know the secrets, then watch no further. Because once you do know, you can't unknow. Let's give a couple seconds for those who don't want to know. Okay, this routine is my version of Marlowe's Bluff Ace Assembly. I made the handling a little easier, I added the ATM storyline, and I actually removed the bluff part, so I guess it's just an ace assembly now with teleport capabilities. You can use a normal deck of 52 cards, no gimmick cards, no hidden duplicate cards, and there's only a couple easy secret moves to learn, so grab your cards and we'll go through the entire routine step by step. This is the setup: ace of diamonds, ace of clubs, ace of hearts, 3 random cards face up, it doesn't matter which ones, and the ace of spades. The easiest way to get to this position is just to have them in your hand from the start. I'll show you how I started in the performance. It's not that practical, but for this video it works. If you notice the spacing and the ace of hearts, as long as it's wider than those 2 lines, give it a little bend, place it right there. The ace of clubs and the ace of diamonds, and square them up a little bit. And the 3 random cards are hidden between the ace of spades and the ace of hearts when you pick them up. This is a false count block push off. It sounds worse than it is. Single push off the diamonds, single push off the clubs. When you get to the hearts, you're going to block push over all 4 cards above the spades, and you're going to push it over just the slightest little bit. And it's a combination of grabbing it with these 2 fingers and jamming it under at the same time as you do this little fidget move. So it's diamonds, clubs, hearts, and spades. And this move, all I'm doing is holding my fingers like so and flipping it this way. Bring your thumb under here and flip it again. And you can keep going back and forth. And when you go diamonds, clubs, hearts, and spades, it keeps everybody's attention on this ace. Immediately pick up the deck, grab these and book turn them on top, and immediately peel off the first 3 cards as you're saying, and the aces represent your money. Here's an easier alternative method. It's not better, it's easier. Diamonds, clubs, hearts, and spades. Spades goes on top to possibly hide all this mess you might deal with. Square them up, place your ace down, book turn them on top. There's your switch. So arrange them in this order: diamonds, clubs, hearts, and spades. Place the spades down, pick up the deck, book turn these on top, and immediately peel off 3 cards as you're saying the aces represent your money. Point to the deck as you're saying the rest of the cards represents other money. Next, push over 3 random cards, but you're actually pushing 4, and the first 3 are not random at all. So you push over 3 cards, the 4th card gets pushed back as you catch a secret hidden pinky break under the guise of making a small fan with these 3 cards. So it's like this, 1, 2, 3. And you can see I have my secret hidden pinky break. Next, explain that 3 cards go on top of each of the aces as you arrange these aces. When you square up these cards, you're going to grab this 4th card and push them all forward. Bring everyone's attention to the ace of spades, turn it over, flash the bottom card. These are the 3 aces with a stolen hidden 4th card. Place it squarely on top. Push off 3 cards, mimic the same movement, show the bottom card, place it squarely on top. Another 3 cards, mimic the same movement, show the bottom card, place it squarely on top. On the last one, push over 3 cards. The 3rd card does not get pushed past your ring finger. The tip of your ring finger is going to push up on these 2 cards as you square them up, and the 3rd card is going to be left behind, and only 2 cards are going to be placed here. So it's like this: 1, 2, 3, square them up, mimic the same movement, flash the bottom card. This is only 2 cards. Squarely place them on top. This is why you want to keep them nice and square, because you want to hide the fact that this only has 3 cards. This is when you explain that these are the ATM machines and these are contactless cards. So all you do is you just come over here and tap. Most of your dirty work is done. You can reveal these 4 cards however you like. This is how I did it. 1, 2, I book turn, 3, did a half a fidget and flipped it. Do it again. Tap and pay, reveal your cards. And this is when you reveal these cards. Single push the ace of spades, single push the random card, single push the ace of diamonds. This is 2 cards, you're going to hold them as 1. Spread them out, hold your index finger in front, spread them out as you say, look, I have the ace of diamonds and the ace of clubs, we just need the ace of hearts from ATM number 3. Put them back together. Use tap and pay, hold it there for a second, book turn these, single push off 1 card, show the ace of hearts, single push off, show the ace of clubs, single push off, show the ace of diamonds. This is 2 cards, hold them as 1 as you show the ace of spades. When you place it on top, immediately deposit it into ATM number 3. Actually, this is your random card. Deposit it into ATM number 3. Book turn these over. Single push, hold these 2 as 1. And line them up down here with these fingers. And once you have them lined up like this, transfer the grip over to here. You're going to hold it in such a way to where all you're going to do is just separate those cards. So this is for your non-believing spectators. Oh yeah, and cover this with a protective barrier. You can use whatever you like. Use tap and pay, and yes, you can withdraw using this technology. And then you get to do your reveal. 4 random cards. You're clean at the end. Everything can be examined. There's nothing to hide, even the protective barrier. And that's it.